Okay, right at the top of the list, an impact driver and a drill driver. This is essentially cordless tools you're talking about, right?
Yeah, a cordless impact driver. It's one of the most versatile, it's one of my favorite tools to drive screws with.
I do not have an impact driver.
You should get one.
I've got a drill driver, right? I've got a corded drill, but I don't have a cordless or corded screwdriver. What is the difference between a drill driver and a screwdriver?
A drill driver and a screwdriver?
A drill driver and a cordless screwdriver. Screwdrivers used primarily for sheetrock?
Yeah, I guess.
Or is that just that terminology confusing?
When you say cordless screwdriver, I'm thinking of like one of those long electric screwdrivers,
Yeah. Like a skill or
slow.
something.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, those are pretty handy too.
I mean, if you go to the store and you're looking at drills, we'll just say drills, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cordless drills, impact drill, you'll see some there that says a cordless screwdriver, and it looks like a drill, right? But it's intended for use for smaller screws, like sheetrock screws, for example. You see guys with a cordless screwdriver that are driving sheetrock screws over and over and over again. It's not really.
I always see that as an attachment.
It's not really a cordless drill.
Yeah, they make these attachments that go on the end of screw guns. Usually
screw gun. There you
drill
go.
Driver.
Okay.
That it sets the screw just below the surface of sheetrock. It's like a dimpler tool on it. I mean, that would be pretty handy to have. But I mean, I classify drills into a few categories.
Okay.
You got your impact driver, a drill driver, a hammer drill, cordless and corded. They have both. I think that's really about it.